What's going on, everybody? Today we got an install video. New exhaust for the Z. Also gonna do an oil change. Let's get into it. We got ISR Y-pipe. We got an ISR Y-pipe. This is for the 350Z HRs and G37s and 370Zs. I had this Y-pipe before. My old Z. The difference between these two is the other one was 2.5 inch inner diameter. This one's 2.75, so it's a little bit bigger diameter throughout. And then I had this exhaust before, but we just have the ISR single. Yeah, the resonator. Car has Z1 test pipes right now, so it should be pretty good. Hopefully it's not too raspy. I do have straight through test pipes, not resonated, so we'll see what's good. Other than that, let's get into the video.
Like you lost another one.
Alright, y'all, so I just finished putting the exhaust on. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so got Z1 test pipes. Got it all mounted up. ISR looks good. Goes all the way back. I didn't really have any fitment issues. It was just kind of hard doing it alone, trying to keep it up. For my 350Z owners out there, this W-brace with this exhaust, there's this space right here in between the exhaust piping and this W-brace is very close. On my last Z it vibrated, so what I had to do, which I did again this time, is I took the bolts off of this W-brace, just the four. There's one right here, and then one right here, one right here. I actually had to cut away to access this bolt because it was all beat up and folded over the bolt. So you might have to cut away at it and whack at it so you can actually access this. Once you remove those, you can kind of just pull this down and you can put these washers in. These are 5/16 washers. I put 5 of them on each, one on this bolt, one on that bolt, and same thing here. And that gave me more than enough clearance between this and the W-brace to where I'm not worried about it hitting under vibrations or anything like that. So I would definitely do that if I was you. I'm running 19s, so since I'm running 19s on the car, my car doesn't sit as low as somebody with like 18s or something. So spacing that brace out, you'll probably just scrape a lot more. I mean, it is what it is. Better than hearing, knocking sounds. Show you guys what it looks like on this side. If I get close, show you the clearance that I actually got from that. Yeah, it's not close at all. If you can see, it's more than enough clearance. No issues here. As you can see, the sway bar, more than enough clearance for the sway bar. I plan on getting Hotchkiss sway bars eventually, and looking at this, even if it's thicker, I'll still have plenty of room. And yeah, it looks great. Just a fat can out the back. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, test for exhaust leaks, and we should be good to go. All right, so just finished up the exhaust. Check for leaks. No leaks on the exhaust, which is great. I had to do some readjustments because I did have a leak in the mid pipe, but it's good now. Just finished up the oil change. Now it's on the ground. You can see it again. Yeah. So now I got the hatch open, and what we're gonna be doing is switching out this windshield wiper. Mine stopped working, so no need for it. I have a Z-Speed windshield wiper delete kit up in here, so that's what we're gonna change. All right, so here's the Z-Spec delete wiper delete. First thing you gotta do is just take off the plastic, and then disconnect the windshield wiper cable, and then you have 1, 2, 3 bolts that you have to remove. All right, so now that we have all the bolts removed, should be able to kind of just wiggle and yank this out. At least you're supposed to be able to. Okay, well, I skipped this step, which was why it wasn't coming out. You have to pop this cover on the windshield wiper, and then you have a 12mm bolt. and then it just comes straight off. Then we take our top cap right here. We're gonna place this just right there, and then you take this piece right here, and there's like a little cup. It goes right on there, and then you'll take this little screw and tighten it, and that'll be it. All right, and once you're finished up, just put your cover back on, close the trunk, boom, windshield wiper gone. It has a little gasket underneath here, and when you put that other part on, it tightens it up so no water will seep through your trunk or anything like that. And yeah, definitely cleans it up a little bit, especially since my windshield wiper wasn't working. So yeah, all good. So yeah, everything went cool. I should get more exhaust clips and stuff for you guys later. Hopefully we can pop some flames and get it on camera. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.